You guys are wonderful, thank you. I want to welcome to the stage Mr. Ashton Miranda over here on the keys and the musical direction. Everyone say hello. Before we get the rest of the band out, we're going to play you an acoustic song. This is the first song that I wrote for Subtract. I was, I made the album by the British Seaside, and I made it in the winter, and then I decided to shoot all the music videos in the winter. And the record label said to me, they were like, you know, the sea in England in December is going to be about 2 degrees. So if you want to fly to America, to California, to film these music videos. And I said, no, we should be authentic. And I really, really regretted that decision. And on this music video, you can see me in the water, freezing.
I came in for the embers, stayed out for the breeze, and need to feel elements to remind me there's beauty when it's bleak. Step out before love's cold. Where do I breathe? Oh, I know the more that I love, the less that I feel. The times that I jump, never worry. They say that all scars will heal, but I know maybe I won't, but the waves won't break my bones. But the waves won't break my bones. The stones crash on the boardwalk. Rush through the trees, I keep my eyes peeled. The memories of us fall short of what we could have been. We let that run for last time. What do I need? Oh, I know the more that I love, the less that I feel. The times that I jump, never worry. They say that all scars will heal, but I know maybe I won't, but the waves won't break my bones. But the waves won't break my bones. But the waves won't break my that I feel, times that I jump, never worry. They say